Letitia manages a mid-sized architecture and engineering studio with everyone working from their LA facility. They've been doing BIM projects using tools and software such as Revit, AutoCAD, Adobe Photoshop, Open Buildings Designer, and many others. For several years, they created their own workflow based on tools like Office and Dropbox. One of their current projects is the construction of a big mall, so she requires some architects and engineers on short notice on a temporary basis. The studio does not have enough space and computers and will have great difficulties finding and hiring the additional talent locally. Additionally, they will need to collaborate and share the project in a secure and remote way with the construction company at the building site, as well as with different engineering firms. Letitia enters SimpleCloud AECM and creates a new studio with just a few clicks. She selects a primary data center where her main shared storage, license servers, and other central services will be hosted. She creates workstation profiles similar to what the studio is using internally. Same software, versions, and plugins, including Autodesk 3ds Max and Adobe Photoshop. For the moment, she's okay with 1 terabyte of shared storage, understanding the amount can be increased to any size at any time. Letitia is ready to start onboarding new team members. She was really happy to learn that Christy, a talented interior designer from New York, accepted her offer to work remotely on the project. Christy will use the same setup as in the studio, using her own Wacom board to generate 2D assets online without having to change any of her tools. In just a few weeks, Letitia was able to contract 30 architects and engineers from all over the world and get them ready to work remotely in a matter of minutes. Each user connects their virtual workstation desktop to Simple's closest data center, reducing the graphical user interface delay and jitter below 60 milliseconds. SimpleCloud AECM allows for the integration of ProjectWise, BIM 360, and many others, so there is no need to adapt the studio's existing workflow to the new setting. SimpleCloud natively supports BIM methodology. Letitia can see a daily update of what has been done as content is generated online and stored in a centralized storage. Due to the confidential nature of the job, users can't download content unless they're explicitly allowed to. So they can create and view it, but they can't delete or copy it. Thanks to SimpleCloud AECM, Letitia can match her budget and delivery timing to the needs of the project with savings of up to 40%. But most importantly, it allowed her to hire talent to work remotely from around the world, collaborate remotely with the construction company at the facility location site, manage her resource requirements in real time to ensure deadlines are met, and reduce project risk by making sure that the whole team is working in the same fully secure development environment. In parallel, 2 civil engineering firms are designing the infrastructure and road access from the highway to the future mall, coordinating their BIM processes within SimpleCloud and in close collaboration with the other areas involved in the project.